This area is where you can quickly see a list of all of your boom rooms as long as they aren't staked. You might see two variations of your rooms here, one with a simple default design, the other covered in construction tape. The construction tape is normal and working as intended, nothing to worry about if you see this. If your room is covered in construction tape, it means that you have attached components to it already but have not yet decorated your room. This is done in the next section, which we will cover later. Let's start with our loft here. This loft, as displayed, has a multiplier of 4x, but currently has a score of 0 as there are no components attached to the room. Let's change that. The loft has 8 component slots available, as indicated here. Notice the max fixed and max free component slots listed here. This means that, like all rooms, you can fill up to 4 of the free component slots before you must fill the fixed type of components. These are window, door, bed, and building, highlighted in a yellow border. If you try to fill in a 5th free slot, the blue border component slots, you will prompt an error that looks like this. For now, let's go ahead and add our desk to the loft. Once you select a component, you'll be sent back to the construction page to continue building it up. You'll notice that the updated base score now says 1 and your component ID number is listed in the desk slot. You don't need to worry about different components fitting in different types of rooms. They will adjust automatically to accommodate whatever type of room you are building up. Every component can be used and is viable for every room. For now, let's finish it here. We press Update and accept the transaction pop-up. Keep in mind that our smart contract has been optimized in such a way that it is best to add or remove as many components as possible at the same time. Updating one at a time will not be very efficient gas-wise. This is true with most of our contracts, including minting multiple NFTs and things of that nature. Ultimately, it is up to you what you feel is the best way to approach. You will see your newly upgraded room here. In this case, our loft is now with 8 points, 2 points from components with the 4x multiplier. This is the construction tape that was referred to before. You'll also notice the boom room ID number being quite high, in the 19,000s, despite the max supply of boom rooms being 7,000. This is due to the fact that, when attaching components to a room, you are actually burning the original room and components and creating a brand new NFT. As stated on your newly constructed room, it is not decorated. Let's fix that by heading over to our next video, the room decorator. As always, if you have any trouble with the steps so far, always feel free to hop on Discord and create a ticket for assistance. We're always around to help,